Problem number 3 tells us that after taking some computer classes, Janaya is offered a web design job by 2 competing companies. Our 2 companies we're focusing on that we get data about is Google, and we're given written statements or sentences that describe Google's information, and then Amazon, and we're given a graph for Amazon. The question at the end of the day asks us which job offers better pay, and then we're going to have to explain our answer or give an image of our work. The key here, if we want to know which job offers better pay, which one gives more dollars per hour, we're talking about unit rates, so we're going to have to understand the unit rate for both Google and Amazon. We've copied Google's information up here, and for Amazon, one key point I'd want to see, I'm looking for where this green line hits the corner of a grid box, and the first time it does it really well is right here, where it lines up with 5 hours and $200, so I'll go ahead and put 5 hours and then $200 for Google. And we also see, if you keep following this line, it also ultimately doesn't hit many corners of a grid box, but right here again, it lines up at $10 and $400. So 10 hours in for Google, we're going to have $400 in pay. So we're going to put the whiteboard into full screen so we can compare or figure out the unit rates for each of these companies. For Google, we know they're earning $170 in 4 hours of work. And if we did $170 divided by 4 hours, if we simplify this ratio, 170 divided by 4, it could be like dividing by 2 a couple times. 170 divided by 2 would be 85 every 2 hours. And that's the same thing as 42.50, 42 and a half every 1 hour. And the same thing if we had set up $850 divided by the 20 hours. Remember, it said they're paying at a constant rate. That's going to give us the same ratio when we do the division of 42.50 every 1 hour. So that's what they make at Google. Now we just need to figure out what they make at Amazon to be able to compare them. We could use either data point. Again, it's a straight line. It's a constant rate. Any of these data points will give us the same ratio. To me, it's easier to divide by 10, so I'm going to pick $400 in 10 hours. That works out to be $40 every 1 hour. And at this point now, this is the information you need to be comparing which company is paying better. If you use 200 divided by 5, you're going to get to the same $40 every 1 hour for Amazon. Again, that's one of the things we're going to see with proportional relationships. So if we wrapped our answer up, we could ultimately say Google pays more by $2.50 per hour, 42.50 versus 40. Make sure you insert an image of your work or explain it, something like that. Keep up the good work.